Shalom, Akayam, and Akawatayam. It's another. Uh, like last video, I gave you an exact date of the Sabbath. Now I want to give you another one. Let's go to Mark 16. Mark 16 and 9. Now I have a Hebrew Bible, and it uses the word Shabbat in the scripture. Mark 16 and 9. Mark 16 and 9. Let's go straight into the scriptures. It says, now when he rose early on the first day of the week, in the Hebrew New Testament it says when on the Sabbath. It says on the Sabbath. Early on the first day of the week, or Shabbat. When he rose early on Shabbat, he appeared first to Mary, out of Magdalene, out of whom had cast 7 demons. Out of whom he had cast 7 demons. So it's saying Christ rose on the Shabbat in the Hebrew New Testament. It says Christ rose on the Shabbat. So that's a Sabbath, a 7th day of holy rest Sabbath. So that's Passover was on the 14th. Passover was on the 14th. Passover was on the 14th. 3 days later, Christ rose, and it was a Sabbath. So Passover is on the 17th of the first month. Boom. Boom. I mean, not Passover, but the Sabbath is on the 17th day of the first month. So now we got the other Sabbath from Exodus 16, 22nd day of the second month. And they line up. 17th of the first month. Let's use that. Then we're gonna go up 7 days and see if we land on the 22nd of the second month by 7 days, because they both are recognized as a Sabbath. And we'll see that the KJV is lying on Mark 16 and 9. It says Sabbath, not first day of the week. So on the 17th, it shouldn't line up with the 22nd if it was the first day of the week. So let's see if it lined up with the 22nd. 17th was the Sabbath of the first month. Christ rose on that Sabbath. 7 days after that would be the 24th. There's 30 days in the first month and 30 days in the second month. So 17th, then the 24th. That means count 6 days. Boom, is the 30th day. So that means the first day of the second month is a Sabbath. Boom. So it went from first day of the 17th day of the first month, 24th day of the first month, to the first day of the second month, and these 3 are Sabbaths, and they line up 7 days between each other. So the first day is a Sabbath. First day of the second month is Shabbat. 7 days on top of that. 8th day of the second month is Shabbat. 15th day of the second day of the second month is a Shabbat. This is the same time they came into the wilderness of sin, when they murmured. They murmured on the Sabbath. Then the Most High say, on the evening, I will give you meat, and I will give you bread in the morning. And 7 days on top of the 15th, that's the 22nd. So the 17th day of the first month lines up with the 22nd day of the second month, meaning these are 2 exact dates of Sabbath written of in the scripture. Now that we have 2 exact dates of Sabbaths, the 22nd day of the second month and the 17th day of the first month, now we can go ahead and try to put our calendar together, because we have the end of the week. Like when the week ends, we have that, and we have that. Well, I'm gonna give you the months, and I made a video about how to calculate the months. There's 30 days in each month, but 4 months have 31 days. Like the third month has 31 days. The 6th month has 31 days. The 9th month has 31 days, and the 12th month has 31 days. And every 3 months it's a season. Every 3 months is a season. So we have, that's the calendar months. So now you put your months in order. First month 30 days, second month 30 days, third month 31 days. Put those Sabbaths in. 17th of the first month Sabbath. 22nd of the second day Sabbath. Remember, I didn't say to you Friday, Saturday, something. I didn't say that to you yet. What I've been using was scripture. What I've been using was scripture. Enoch 72 tells you how many days are in each month. When the sun switches portal, it changes a month. But there's 2 times in the year where the sun stays in the same portal for 2 months. But when the sun switches portals, or goes through a monthly cycle, it's 30 to 31 days. This is the month. Uh, so you write that down. Put all your months down through the 12. How many days in each? Put those 2 Sabbaths in there. That's the calendar. Boom. Then you can add your holy days in. I don't have one prepared, but I'm showing you how to do it because mine is like notes. Like I wrote like notes. Like this day is this day. This day is this day. This day is this day. It was like notes, not really a calendar. But if you can make a calendar, you can do it like that. So that's the months with those Sabbaths. Now the thing is, we have to put our calendar, like our months and our Sabbath. First day of the 17th. When was the 17th day of the first month in real life, like out here with us? When was this date? Because I'm gonna show you how to do that in another video. Well, I've already did it, how to calculate the months. I'm gonna post that video too. Shalom.